Let me show my earrings. My mom made me get these earrings. I don't really buy earrings, but people around me think that if you don't have earrings on, you're just not a real person. Anyways, let's talk about the topic of the day. Today, we're gonna be talking about video marketing. I love this topic. You know, I call myself a video marketing mentor because I am, but video is such a powerful thing, and I think a lot of people are either just not using it, they're using it wrong, or they're just afraid to use video marketing. So let's just have a quick discussion today about video marketing. My name is Social Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel because I teach coaches, consultants, and creatives how to create a stronger brand online using content creation strategies, specifically video content. So when in doubt, always go to video. So one of the things that people try to do is they try to hop on these social media platforms like Reels on Instagram or TikTok or any of those kind of things, and they're first, so they're like jumping on there, they don't know what they're doing, and sometimes they blow up, which is great. But one thing that I've learned being on Blab, I don't know if you know Blab, that's like, I feel like it's old school now, right? Blab, if you know Blab, go ahead and comment below. I met tons of people there. Blab, Periscope, Meerkat, Vine, Instagram, I don't know, whatever, Facebook Live. There's always a strategy that you use as you're going through to actually draw in leads. You can't just show up, right? It's not like you see the people that are always like, oh, we're at the club, yes. Like, you can't be that person. Hey, I'm teaching you this, where you just pop up and you have no plan. You just want to show people who you are, right? You have to create a video marketing strategy. So one of the things that I suggest that you do is think about, we're at the end of the year or whenever you're watching it, could be the beginning, how the internet works. You can watch it whenever you want. But when you're thinking about your programs, I always want you to work backwards. What are the programs that you have? Think about the questions that someone has. So let's say that you do a course on, I'm trying to think of something, sales, right? And you teach people how to sell, coaching programs or something like that. One of the things that happens is before they get to you, there's a journey that it takes to get to you. So where did they start? What questions do they have when they start out? What are they gonna look for when they first try to find you? Video marketing isn't just about showing up on camera, it's about figuring out who you're talking to and what questions they're asking. If you can answer questions and connect to people, it actually shortens the time it takes to actually have them want to work with you. So I know you've probably heard of know, like, trust, right? And the whole thing and if you haven't, let me just explain it really, really quick. So someone has to know you, right? You're not Walmart, Coca-Cola, Fenty makeup, like that's not you. You're not well known. If we see you on a billboard, we don't know who you are. So first you have to attract your clients, right? So that is where your branding comes in. Like when they see you, do they want to connect with you? Some people will never watch a video with a girl with blue hair, right? Some people will never watch a video with someone who cusses or someone who talks about religion or whatever it is. Your branding, the language you use, how you show up, your personality is what attracts people to you, right? So attraction is basically when they first find you. That's knowing, right? Liking is when they really are moving into that consideration stage of, do I like them, right? Do I like what they're saying? Does it make sense? Can I understand it? Maybe I speak too fast for you. There's some people that leave that in my comments and it's like, hey, this is who I am. So, I might not be the one for you if I'm talking too fast, right? Maybe they're too slow for you. Maybe they don't explain things correctly. Maybe they're just, whatever it is, you have something that that's special about you, and people have to like that, right? There's people who choose Pepsi over Coca-Cola. There's people who choose Fenty over Bobbi Brown makeup. There's people who choose Target over Walmart. They're all choices, but in the end, those comparisons, a lot of times they have the same products or the same services. It's what appeals to you. It's what draws you in. So think of your client. If your client has to like you, they have to like you. Don't send a representative. If you're on video and you're acting like yourself and you're goofy, then act goofy. If you're serious, act serious. But you have to attract people and have them consider working with you. That's the like stage, right? Trust is really when they've been watching you for a while, they've been engaging with you, and they really understand and trust that if they purchase from you, you're not gonna disappear. So for me, I try to be visible everywhere online, whether it's Pinterest, And it's funny because a lot of my friends and family will be like, hey, this is you. I mean, I literally get text messages like, hey, saw you on Pinterest today, right? I don't know why Pinterest is such like a mystery to people, where when they see my videos, they're like, hey, Nina, saw you get on Pinterest, right? I'm on Pinterest, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, but I am visible everywhere. And I always tell people, hey, I'm not going anywhere. So if it's not now, you can work with me later. But what that also does is that says if you spend money with me, I'm not gonna disappear. Also, you've watched me enough to know she may know what she's talking about, right? You may have seen my clients and what they've been saying and different things, but the trust part is all about, I'm gonna give you my money, you better do what you say. So video is the shortest length to people actually trusting you. Know, like, trust. So as you're thinking about your programs and as you're thinking about your services or your products or whatever you're selling, think about how do you get people to know, like, and trust you, so when they're ready to spend their money, they're like, here, take it, right? That's the power of video marketing. So if you want to learn more about video marketing, go ahead and visit Brand Marketing Mindset. We have a whole conference coming up January 5th through the 7th where we go through how to build really strong brand, right? Video marketing strategies, and have the right mindset so you can monetize your videos. I actually have invited about 9 women, and they're all experts. They've been in this game for a while. They've been where you are, right? Where it's like, I'm making money, but it's so much work. So we're gonna show you how to monetize your genius with ease. Links below.